Here is USDJPY 1 hour time frame analysis. So we see price approaching this key level. Seeing the momentum in the market, I expect price to find resistance at this level or maybe a little sweep above that level, and then price should drop below this rising trend line. If that happens, expect price to come down to 147.35 area, and after that we may see a break of that level and then a retest, which will now move the market back down to this very 145.80 to 145.55 area. Now that will happen because there are liquidities just below this very low, and that liquidity needs to be filled. It needs to be taken off. So there are lots of long positions which stop loss just below here, and the market always seeks liquidity. So we're expecting that to happen such that the liquidities here will be filled before we begin to look for any further move up. So in summary, what I'm looking at is for this resistance to hold, and then a break of this rising trend line and a move down to this 147.35 area first. Then a break below that area will open up 145.80 to 145.55 area, and if the momentum is very strong, we may head down to 144.50 area to 144.28 area. So that is exactly what I'm expecting from USDJPY. However, if we get a sustained break above 149.10 area, then we may see the uptrend continue. Ensure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my latest videos.